And each of our specialty hot drinks is named after one of the teachers that support our community and allow it to thrive. And on the topic of baked goods, allow me to introduce to you our opening act, which is titled Bundt, which is performed by Emerson Thorpe. Emerson will be showing off his supreme baking skills as he makes an apple spice bundt cake, which will be ready for tasting at the end of the art house if you stick around. Enjoy.
We're going to start by adding 3 sticks of melted butter into our bowl. We're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar and 2 cups of normal granulated sugar. Going to mix that up. And then, since it's an apple spice bundt cake, we're going to dice some apples. And then we're going to add 3 cups of flour and a teaspoon of baking powder into our mixture from earlier. We're going to mix that up more, and then after that we're going to add 3 eggs. Alright, so 3 eggs. Mix that up even more. And since this is an apple spice bundt cake, we're going to add our spices after it's mixed up, which contains half a teaspoon of ground ginger, a teaspoon of cinnamon, some nutmeg, some salt, etc. Yeah, so add that in. Add our apples, so it's an apple spice bundt cake. Mix that up even more. It's a lot of mixing, guys. Eventually, you'll hopefully get a dough if you didn't mess up. It's going to be pretty thick. And you'll get something looking like this. You're going to grab a bundt pan, which you previously buttered, floured, hopefully. Put it in. Then you're going to shake it out, make sure it's like all even. Should look like this. And I think you're done. Hope. Yeah, that's about it. We're going to put this in the oven. We'll come back to this later.